Hey friends, so I wanted to show you how to make this lovely crochet iCord. This is one that I am making for my tree garland, and as you can see, I've already made quite a bit. And if you want to make one in this color too, this is just Red Heart with Love, the metallic. It's just got these little beautiful flecks in it. And so I wanted to show you kind of a finished version of it, or semi-finished. I'm still working on it, but this is it worked up in a larger thing. And then I'm going to show you how to make the iCord for yourself. So this is just some scrap scarfy yarn that I had, and then just a K-hook that I had. And to begin making the iCord, we're just going to do a chain of 3. And then in the second chain from the hook, so if you can see, you've got 1, 2. We're just going to insert our hook and draw up a loop, and then go into the next one and draw up a loop for a total of 3 on our hook. So once you've got those 3 on the hook, you're going to slip your hook off of those 2, okay? And the wonky part is getting a feel for feeding your yarn. And basically what I mean is you're going to yarn over and pull through that first one, then you're going to put the second loop back on your hook, yarn over, pull through that one, put the third one back on, yarn over, pull through that one. Okay, so now we slide those 2 off and just kind of grab them, making sure that they don't come undone. Then you yarn over, pull through that first one, put the second one back on your hook, yarn over, pull through that one, put the third one back on your hook, yarn over, pull through that one. Okay. And then slide off those 2, grab them, yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over, pull through that second loop, slide that third one back on, yarn over, and pull through that third loop. Okay, so it is a little challenging to see on this black yarn, I'll admit. So we're gonna take these 2 off, okay, and we're gonna hang on to them, yarn over, pull through that first one, put the second loop back on, holding on to that third one still, yarn over, pull through the second one, put the third one back on, yarn over, and pull through that. So I'm gonna set this over here for a second. And I think my daughter got a hold of this and she was trying to figure out how to work it. So I'm going to put these back on my hook, okay? And I'm going to show you in this red yarn how to do it. So we're going to slide these 2 off. We're going to keep our first one on. Yarn over, pull through. Stick the second loop on, yarn over, pull through the second one, put the third one on, yarn over, and pull through. So take your hook out of those last 2, yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through the second one, get that third one on there, yarn over, pull through the third one. So you can kind of see, we're getting this beautiful, beautiful cord worked up, and I'll say that the hardest part is figuring out a comfortable position for holding your yarn. So once you slide these 2 off, you just got to figure out a way to hold those 2 and the yarn. and just kind of play around with different ways and go slow at first, and then you'll get the hang of it. So that was the red one, and let's see as we do this one. So it's just let these two slide off, yarn over, go through that first one, put the second loop back on the hook, yarn over, go through that one, put the third one back on the hook, yarn over, and pull through that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do really quick is I'm going to start it one more time just so you can see. So we've got our slip knot. We're going to do a chain of 3, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to insert our hook into the second stitch right there, yarn over and draw up a loop. We've got 2 on. Go into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. So you've got the 3. Now we're going to take these 2, slide them off, yarn over, go through that first one, put the second loop back on the hook, yarn over, go through that one, and grab that third loop and do it just like that. And then you repeat. Slide those last 2 off, yarn over, go through the first one, put the second one back on, yarn over, pull through, third one on, yarn over, pull through. And then if you want to finish it off, you would just do a yarn over, pull through all 3, do a chain 1, and then kind of pull your thing through, and then just take that tail and you know, sew it down into your cord. And as you can see, you know, this has got some great stretch to it. And the cool thing is that if you have kind of a wonky spot, you can just kind of do that number and it fixes really, really well. So just kind of stretch it out and it makes it look all nice and even. And so if you like this tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also join the YHN Knitters and Crocheters of the World Facebook group, where we do monthly challenges, and for the month of December we are doing a Crochet Christmas where everything is Christmas related. And so we're sharing lots of fun projects, and this is one of them. And I will be decorating my tree on live video for everyone to check out. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoy making an iCord of your own, and I will see you in the next video.